At Whoopass Enterprises, we're able to easily create all types of dynamic characters and objects for use in video games, three-dimensional printing, or other computer applications. We do this by utilizing a large digital library of geometries that exist as Z-tools within ZBrush. Each Z-tool comes with subtools which can be moved independently of other objects. The material and color can be enhanced and manipulated independently. And additional sculpting is easy and efficient. Each Z-tool can then be outputted to other file formats for use in other programs and applications. In addition, in order to prepare for three-dimensional printing, we can use the Z plugin to set size requirements and output type. In order to catalog and recall each digital asset, we utilize a database of JPEG images taken from each mesh. With this database, we can later open each file and pull elements to make any new characters or objects we choose. Let's take a bit closer look at our library of ZBrush elements. There are many categories. The three most popular are probably heads, bodies, and miscellaneous, which includes animals, dogs, things like that. Let's take a look at one of our more popular categories, male head pictures. Within this, we have subcategories of different types of heads, and even with that, we have even further smaller categories, such as closed or open mouth. These help us identify model types when we are looking to create new characters. Let's take a look at some of our female head pictures. Again, many categories and subcategories. Each mesh comes with elements that can be isolated and used independently with other meshes. Let's take a look at some of the images from our extensive library of body types. Just like with the library of heads and faces, there are a few main categories divided up between men, women, and children. Then within each of those, we have subcategories like basic body and basic clothing, formal wear, or sports and action figures. Just like the other meshes, these contain subtools and other elements that can easily be interchanged with other Z-tools to create new forms. Now let's take a quick peek at another fun category, animals and cars. We have all sorts of horses, dogs, cats, and moving vehicles to choose from. To illustrate how we coordinate the JPEG library with our digital assets to create new characters and objects, let's create a custom head or face from reference photos from a mythical person seen here on the right. We can generate any personality by combining, changing, and mixing and matching elements, and then we can add features such as hairstyles, glasses, or hats. Now that we have a reference photo, let's look in our men's category, basic closed mouth, to find a good model. When searching for a model, we are looking for similarities in face shape, head type, and feature quality. As you can see, many of these models have similarities to our new character, so many of them can be used. Once we've identified our model, we will open up ZBrush and begin to manipulate and sculpt it to transform it into our new character. As we can see, ZBrush allows us to quickly move geometry and easily begin to change the features and characteristics of a face. Remember, we can add elements such as glasses or hats from other Z-tools and combine them with our model. We have found a character that already has a nice beanie, so we can isolate that element and then add it to our new character. We can then move various elements of that character around the face, or if we want to reposition the hat, Very simple. We will fast forward through the entire sculpting process to reveal how we were able to transform our initial model into a new character. The sculpting process was relatively simple, as mostly we had to move geometry around to create the new likeness. But complex sculpting is easy and efficient with the many tools available in ZBrush. Combine these tools with our vast digital library and a fertile imagination, and the possibilities are endless. Enjoy!